Hey, earlier we saw we have uploaded the build to TestFlight successfully in last video. Now in this video we'll see how can we invite internal testers to test our build in TestFlight. Okay, now you can see my build is uploaded in TestFlight. So build 3.0 is uploaded in TestFlight. So now what we have to do? So I have to go to internal testing. So I've already created a group. So you can create another group. You can create your group internal test to whatever name you can give. And here you can see by default you can add testers. So here you can see by default you will have that owner of that account as name, and others email you can see it here. You can add them, and if you want to add more user, you have to go here. You have to go here, user and SS, and click on it, and here you need to add those users you want to test. They can test whom you want to invite. So for that you need to go apps, and inside the apps, inside users, you need to get the users so that it will be visible here. So click it here again, user and SS, and go here again. Yes, perfect. Now you can see these are the people who have invited. You can invite more people, and here I can tell them you can add their email here. Once you've added their email, so it will be visible here. So here you can add internal you can add now add the users in the group. Now you have to go to TestFlight build. Okay, in TestFlight build you have to go to your build, last build uploaded, whichever build you want to tag. So what you can do, all you can see already you have already created a group, and these are the group names which are already it has been assigned. So by default, whenever you are uploading a build, the internal testing groups will be assigned. And if you want any individual user, you can go here, you can add and invite them also based on the email. So once you invite, they will inside the email, you can go and see, you can open the email, you can see they will be fine. There is it is invited to test this user. So you need to open it in your iPhone. Go to your iPhone and open this email in iPhone. You directly route it to TestFlight, and you can install it from TestFlight and test it. So this is the way. So how you can invite users to test your build in TestFlight. Thanks for watching.